Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you what I did on my 29th day in this 100 days of coding challenge. Yesterday I started building a GitHub profiles app. I have done up to front end and some part of back end as well. That shows us almost all details of the user, but the most important thing is repos, right? So today let's focus on it. If you are new to this challenge and want to learn interesting things related to coding, then follow my 100 Days of Code Challenge playlist and even watch my previous video where I started building this project. Try to be consistent if you are serious about it. Back to the project, let's work on it. this is how the app works. You can go through the repos of your own users, and we can even search users, and if we click on the repos of the users, the application redirects to GitHub. Done with this project. If you have any doubts, let me know through comments. I'll be right back to complete the coming days of challenges by building new projects and learning new things related to coding. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from my 100 days of coding challenge and other interesting coding stuff. Thank you.